card flicking, you can use it to flick and catch, or flick and catch with the pack. Right, now with this particular card flick, you've really got to pay attention to how you're holding the cards. You want to be holding it in this position like that. Okay, so your thumb is holding it on the bottom, slightly jogged, just slightly jogged to the right side. So it's not quite in the center, it's slightly to the right. And you want your middle finger just about there, just slightly to the right as well, as your ring finger just goes right there. So that most of the left side of the pack is free, and your index finger here is free. That's the other key point. So you can use your index finger to push down and get a bend in the card like that. Just that top card, just one card. You don't want to do it with like all those cards like that. Just that first card. Now to the next step. So once you're holding it like this and you've pulled it down like that, you do this. I'll show you first. Looks like that. So what I'm actually doing is when I'm pulling down, I'll show you in an exposed view, remove these two fingers here. As I'm pulling down, this is what my finger's doing. I'm sliding down that top part of that top card. So as I'm sliding down, it looks like this, I'm sliding down like that. And when I get off that edge of the card, what happens? The card projects forward, okay? So one more time, pulling down, this is what it looks like in exposed view. Yeah, it looks like that. But basically when your fingers are able to control it here, and then you pull your finger down, you get that card to flick out. This is a bit of a knack. As I'm pulling down, the card's gonna bend and build pressure, and that pressure is gonna be pushed into your thumb. Now there's a particular point on your thumb you want that pressure to build. You don't want your thumb to be over here, because then when you do it, it can't flick out. You see, it can't flick out. It'll be very unnatural for it to flick out. You just can't. So that's why you position your thumb slightly towards the right hand side of the pack. So when now you do it, it flicks out. Okay? It's gonna take you guys a bit of playing around. Play around with this one. See where it feels right. So position your thumb here. Your thumb is the variable here. You keep moving it around. Move it from here to here to here to here. Find where it's right until you can get it to flick out like that. So you can just keep flicking cards. Something you guys are gonna have to practice. Have fun with it. It's a great slide.